Assalamu alaikum everyone. Are you someone who is trying to speak in English for a long time but unable to speak fluently in English because of a tricky reason? What are those reasons? Number one, you are not listening English. Number two, you are not practicing it correctly. And number three, you are thinking a lot. In this video, I am going to tell you how you will solve your mistakes, and at the end of this video, you will get a 30-second challenge which will improve your speaking English. So what are the solution of these mistakes? Number one, try to listen in English. In YouTube, there are a lot of content available. From there, you can take any video and listen those videos which will develop your listening skill. The second is don't think too much about the mistake. Just try to speak. Once that habit is developed, you will feel confident about yourself and confidently you are going to speak. And the third thing, that the things which you have around yourself, start speaking with that, like pen. Try to speak 2 to 3 sentences regarding pen, water bottle, books, anything which you have around yourself. So like this, you are going to develop your speaking habit, and slowly and steadily you will be confident about your speaking, and within time you will be fluent in speaking English. Now I am going to give you a 30-second challenge. By doing this for 30 days, it will help you to improve your English. The 30-second challenge is a challenge where you are going to speak for 30 seconds about anything, about any object you have around yourself. This will help you a lot. I think I have cleared down all the mistakes as a beginner, as a learner you are doing. I hope this video gonna help you. If you like the video, please share and like this video. Thank you.